great people, hello beautiful people. Welcome to Glam Squad. In this video today, we're going to be looking at some beautiful braid style which I believe you might not have seen it before. A beautiful braid style from varieties of creative stylists. You see, braid style that you have on and you look extremely beautiful and gorgeous out there. There are braid styles for black women that you can try on and look good. So I will advise you watch till the end of this video, because at the end of the video there are still some beautiful clips, video clips. All these are actually this what we're looking at now is are pictures, images of creative hairstyles, but at the very end of the video there are clips that shows the front side, the back side, and the side of each of these beautiful hairstyles. And in this particular video, you're going to be seeing the front side, the back side, and the left side view of the hairstyle. You understand? So if you're actually looking for inspiration for your next hairstyle you want to make, this is the right video for you, because in this video there are varieties of hairstyles for black women, cute braided hairstyles for black women that you can try on and look extremely beautiful, gorgeous out there. So every styles displayed here, every hairstyle displayed here are actually made by creative hands. So you'll be seeing their handles. You can reach out to them, and if they're close to you, they can make your hair for you. So if this is the first time you check in on this channel, I will advise you click the like button and also the subscribe button, and even the bell icon, so you don't miss out on my next video, because I upload video every single day. I upload new and latest trending braided hairstyles for black women. I upload them every single day, so you will always be seeing fresh content on this channel. I promise you that. So the only thing I'm asking from you right now is make sure you click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss out on my next video. So with that said, let me leave you guys to relax and enjoy this video as it's rolling up. So see you in my next video. Peace out.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. me just by mine. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.